Hello everyone, how to Tutsu back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to download and install Split VPN or Proxy. So recently this VPN has been launched and it's really trending. So how can you download it? Simply tap on a Google Play Store if you use Android phone and go to App Store if you use iPhone, then search here Split VPN. So that's it, and enter. Then it might be something wrong, so you have to type the full hook proxy. So enter it. So you can see this one. So recently this launched, so you can see their icon. If you want to check like when this app released, it's released on June 11, only 7 days ago or 8 days ago, and 100k people already download it. So simply tap on the install button, so it takes few moments to install. So okay friend, to rest no more and see you in the next video.